cannot be the two. Why you on a perimeter, can't even shoot? Oh, you got a whack at jump. We gon' make it rain, no thunder. I ain't tryna sit on the phone, tryna.
Let's see if the camera looks like. Shout out Tyler, new rider to the chat at least. Is there someone else coming? Oh, that's Anderson! My guy! He just pulled up. I started recording too. Yes, sir, Ski. New riders out here, man. Ooh, can I back up? Oh yeah, we got bodies. Till I crash. Screws aren't tight enough. I think we're getting out. I don't know how to put it on right. Oh, give me over here. I don't know how to put it on right. Huh? It keeps falling off. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that screw. Follow me now, baby. I'm sorry. Damn, I'm mixing that too. Oh, but it keeps getting loose. Now I gotta be able to find this screw. And I, in fact, was not able to find that screw. Whatever. I'm just mad about this. Oh, I was recording all that time too. Got a little muddy on this ride because it rained a couple of days ago, so we got mud everywhere. It was a fun experience for sure. Do I want to do that often? No, sir, because now my bike's dirty. I guess that's the life of a biker, huh? So we just got back from that ride. Where's my GoPro at? I need to show y'all something, man. It fell off the bike. It fell off the bike like twice. So I'm gonna set this up. I'm not even using a tripod right now, it's okay. So here's the GoPro mechanism, right? This is supposed to cinch in right here, and there's a screw that goes right here. I put the screw on there, bro, but I probably didn't tighten it enough because it came loose and it fell off the bike. So I got a couple, like maybe 5 minutes of riding, not too much to be honest, because I didn't set it up well. But that was a fun ride. With that being said, it was definitely a fun time. If you in the area, pull up. We're getting more heads out there. I think there was 6 of us out there today, 5. It was me, Hen, Gilbert, Tyler, and Anderson. We was lit, so it was 5 of us. But yeah, that was a fun ride. My bike did, you know me, I'll be stalling out a little bit. But my bike did, I'm not gonna say seize, but it just stopped on me and it wouldn't start. We still need to get this Kickstart looked at. It's all dirty now, but still need to get the Kickstarter working properly, just in case if it's just the electric, if it's just the battery that's messing me up out there. My bike was making a noise since the last ride, I told y'all that. But we still went out there. Gilbert didn't get a chance to take a look at it. I might have to take it to his house because I'll be playing around. But anyways, fun ride. See y'all next time. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate any tips, tricks, advice you can leave down below in the comments. You can subscribe to my channel right here. You can get with me on TikTok and Twitter right here. And in this other corner, you should be able to watch another video. Until then, I'll see you around.